Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to decide if Ava Credit Builder is genuinely worth the hype or just overblown by walking you through its dual tools and subscription-based credit card that reports your bill payments to all three credit bureaus daily and a no-interest secured loan that pays you back after 12 months, highlighting how users have seen rapid credit score jumps thanks to the fast, frequent reporting and boosting of utilization, mix, and payment history, and how it costs around $6 to $9 a month or $72 a year. While some reviewers warn about auto-renewal issues, sketchy limits relative to advertised credit, or reporting glitches and occasional customer support problems. So if you're rebuilding credit and already pay for subscriptions, you could see real benefit fast but weigh that against the fee and potential annoyances. And if you found out this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.